Are you tired of bridges, high fees, and messy wallets? Well, OpenOcean just made cross-chain swaps easy, cheap, and fast. In this video, I'll show you how to swap crypto across blockchains in just one click, with the best prices and no bridges. However, before we get started, if you find the tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So guys, to explore OpenOcean, just head to your browser or any wallet of your choice and type in app.openocean.finance. I'll be using my browser. Let's head to app.openocean.finance. So let's click go. So guys, once you type that, you'll have an interface like this. On our screen, we have market, limit, and DCA. The market feature enables you to swap tokens directly on-chain or cross-chain with optimized prices, while the limit feature set price targets for trades with gasless transactions. OpenOcean covers the gas here, while under DCA, which is dollar cost averaging, it automates gradual buys and sell. Now let's click the icon at the top right of our screen. We could see multiple features. We have buy crypto and trade crypto. This is where you get to buy and sell different assets. While beneath trade, we have SwapX. This is where you get to trade. Let's click SwapX. This is where you get to trade AlphaX, StockX, and X42. Okay, guys, let's click AlphaX. Under AlphaX, you get to trade features, leverage up to 100x with cross-chain margin. While under StockX, you'll get to trade tokenized stocks with no KYC. You could see the tokenized stocks right here. While under X42, it's an NFT marketplace where you can trade, mint, and explore NFTs across chains. Okay guys, so let's head back. So immediately after SwapX, we could see OOE, which is the governance token. So OOE is where you get to stake. Let's click it. You get to, stake LP tokens to earn. Think of OOE like OpenOcean's power token. The more you stake, the more you shape the feature. Let's head back and click the icon at the top right. So then we have DAO, which is the decentralized governance for OpenOcean protocol. Below DAO, we have developers, more yields, tools, and get in touch. So let's focus on yields. Under yields, let's click the drop down arrow beside it. We could see markets and stable yields. This is where you get to find gems on major chains and also earn high APY from stable, okay? While under tools, let's click the drop down icon beside it. Tools is where you get to swap multi tokens in one swap. You get to revoke active approvals from decentralized applications. You also get to discover latest Web3 news and lots more, guys. Remember, OpenOcean supports over 20 chains. You could click the drop down arrow beside this Ethereum logo and choose the chain of your choice, guys. That's it on how to, explore OpenOcean protocol, guys. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.